Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I've got some power steering hoses on my car I want to replace. They've been leaking all over the place. The reservoir is empty. So I ordered some. They showed up yesterday. I think you can see how moist it is in there, all the power steering fluid that's leaked out. And right there. Let's see if we can zoom in on that a little bit. That'll work. So I think this is the culprit here, but I got both the high side and the low side, so I'm going to replace them both since I'm in there, and bring you along. So I got the wheel out because I just finished with the starter, which was another video, and I'm going to start with those two fittings right there. Okay, I've got the two fittings out of the steering box, and right, find a picture there. Oh, there it is. Got a paper towel on the two ports so dirt doesn't get in there. It was pretty grimy, so I was spraying it with parts cleaner as I was taking the fittings out to keep them clean. I cut the low pressure hose. That's this one right here, and I'm about to cut the high pressure hose so that because I'm going to have to take the pump off to get to that fitting behind the pump. Alright, the power steering pump is out. I've got the old piece off, and you can see where it's really moist right here, spilling out. So I got the new piece on. We'll get the pump back in and start putting on the steering box. This piece doesn't have a fitting. It's a low pressure side, so I'll just have a clamp when I put it on. Well, this turned out to be one of the easier projects I've ever done on this car. So I've got the pump back in. I've got the high pressure side attached in the back. I'm ready to put it into the steering assembly, and then when I get this one in, I can put the low pressure side in and just attach it to the barb that's underneath here where you can't see it. So I just wanted to give you a quick update. Alright, we got it all back together. I've got the lines in. There. All looking pretty and all. Starts right up with the new starter. And hopefully I'm going to at least run around the neighborhood every day for the next couple of weeks. See how long that lasts. But I don't want to do it again. It's getting cold out. Anyway, another project done. I'll put some light, another little Halloween action. The starter's in, power steering lines are in, running great. And next up, the nose job. So if you like my videos, like, share, subscribe, come back, and hope to see you soon. All right, have a great evening. Bye-bye.